Looking at you. We got the squad. Let's go. What do you think, Sarkis? You like it?
Yeah. It's a BMW.
When are we gonna have
87 miles. It's a nice car. It's the same as my car, just a better version.
When are you and I gonna have one of these?
When we wrap it, Vic.
It went on fire like this. You okay?
Yeah. Shout out RDB. 3 letters, RDB. Yo, Vic, 24 hours in Cabo, man. Yo, where you go? 24 hours in Cabo.
So we have this Lamborghini. It's a wrap. Our customer's here. He's about to pick it up right this second.
Watch how you talk to me, I be too petty for play. I need my Fetty today. Waking up early so I get ahead of the day. It worked for me better that way. Better go get it, you young and you able. They did not save us a seat at the table. I did it all with no help from a label. Came a long way just from stealing that cable. I'm teed up, drip down, save it, sit down, I don't need a cosign, need a new phone line. I think I'm too full of myself and they full of that hatred, they hated to see it. I don't need no help, I'm just being myself and they happen to pay me to be. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me. Now I can't keep it, that's all me. Need no help, that's all me. Could've went to jail or the army. Remember when they didn't wanna call me. Should've seen a look when they saw me. They ain't cheering, they just doubting. Kill Sebi, they touch Malcolm. Meanwhile, I bought a Cuban link. I might upgrade it, might bust down it. Shine hard like I'm supposed to. I'm a king in a slum village.
Alright guys, 48 just completed. It's raining here in LA. We're still shooting for you guys. You guys saw this on Shmi's channel. It's been all over the place. It was different colors before. It was yellow, white, blue. Now it's this really crazy awesome matte blue metallic that has like a little aluminum look to it. Looks amazing. Wheels are still the RDB wheels and polished. Car is slammed, carbon fiber everywhere, loud, starlight in the roof, you name it, this Ferrari has it. This is such an easy way to, you know, re-update your car. It looks amazing. You guys are supporting us and we're doing all this for you guys right now, so enjoy. Alright guys, so we are currently leaving the shop. We are headed to Sunset GT, Gran Turismo. It's an event that's very local to us. They do it every couple months on a Sunday morning. So we are 7 days straight at the shop this week. A lot of supercars are going to be there. A lot of modified cars, all kinds of stuff we're going to show you. I'm also taking over the McLaren Beverly Hills Instagram account. So they invited me to take over their account and, you know, show the audience what's up. So yeah, currently we're driving the pink and blue Bugatti Veyron. We have two 48s following me, the green one and the Liberty Walk blue one, and then we have my car all the way in the back. We're going to the meet now.
Sarkis, how do you feel?
All right, we're out at the meet right now. We got Sarkis and Moses right here. This is their first time at Sunset GT. How do you like it?
A little bit good, bad. Has a good part and a bad part.
It's actually cool. First time. Our cars are actually the best, you guys. Honestly,
It's cold.
that's what's up. Sarkis is cold.
It's cold.
Sarkis is going to an Armenian wedding after this.
Oh my god.
But yeah, it's fun.
He's DJing in Armenia.
Yeah, look at him. He's dressed, good to go. One of the fans wanted to take a picture with
They
him.
didn't bother me.
They
so
said he
did.
was handsome.
Yeah.
He also tried to match the Bugatti in the back. So he's got the blue pants, the blue chrome on the Bugatti right there. He's missing a pink shirt. Next time though. It's a good turnout at Sunset GT right now. We got our 3 cars back there. 2 wide bodies, Ferrari and Lambo wide bodies. Probably the only ones out here. And then we got the pink and blue Bugatti that we're gonna wrap another color. So this is the last time you guys are gonna see it in this color.
Vic in the house.
What's up?
What is this, man?
The pink Bugatti.
It is.
Pink and blue chrome, actually.
It actually looks wild.
It is wild. Yeah, and it's got pink emblems too.
The stuff you see at Sunset GT, man, and at RDB.
We gotta do it.
2, 3. No, no, no. One more time.
YouTube, bro. YouTube. YouTube. This guy. Look at this guy.
Mikey's better than mine.
You guys are stupid.
The Bugatti I'm broke.
Mine's better.
I need money.
Mine's much better.
It's the perfect excuse.
Come on, dude.
RDBLA, okay. Okay. Oh, and Bayron. Woo, we got the squad.
I don't know.
Car is so low, man. It's dangerous. No, I'm gonna put the suspension high.
Yeah.
I don't want to break anything. So we are all done with GT Sunday. It was pretty cool. Very good event. A lot of nice cars. It was actually my first event, and I love it. So hopefully we do more of this. car slips like crazy. I don't want to take the chance and hit up a building.
Yep.